I don't drink alcohol anymore. I'm not sober. I don't work a program. What else I do is, my own business.
Right.
I was like, this is a toxic behavior for me. And my whole life it held me back because I knew that I couldn't like surrender to something nor give it up. It was like that definition of insanity. You do the same shit over and over again, expecting a different result. I was a complete prisoner of my own behavior.
Everyone has been affected by the disease of addiction, whether it's themselves, someone they know. It's so much more complicated than what people make it out to be.
And if I wasn't drinking, it was because I was hungover or something. Yeah. So it was just like the whole detox out of my system of it, and realizing you get this like this high from having energy and being able to play with your kids and roll on the floor with them. And I mean, there's just my best friends, my closest friends, my family, everybody's noticed a difference.
I started to drink more and more and more, and it was really hard for me to accept that meant I was an alcoholic. I was like, I can just go back. I was fine before. I just need to take a break. I just need to slow down. I just need to, I'm okay. You know what I mean? This isn't me.
Addiction is a behavior that you would like to stop, and when you try to, you cannot. Addiction begins with pain and it ends with pain. You are in pain, you practice whatever it is you do to get you away from the pain, whether it's pornography or food or sex or drugs, and then it leads to more pain, and then the cycle begins again.
Because I don't drink, I am fucking killing it. My life changed. I can trace my careers before and after. Like on the dot.
Is the secret shame that keeps people locked up in their disease. I'm sober today. Am I going to be sober for the rest of my life? I hope so. I'm going to do everything I can to be.